Coming in the opposite direction, you're flying into 19 right, coming down to the south. Well, this is the airport configuration at Tampa Airport. These used to be 0, and the top ones used to be 1/8, as in 180 degrees and 0 degrees. Well, this is all changing. And by the way, Reagan National just did this a few years ago. Minneapolis did it about 10 or 15 years ago. This is all because magnetic north is on the move, my friends. And since about 1831, they've been tracking this, and they literally go up there. Explorers do with planes, and then they get up there basically with a magnetic compass and try to figure out where the magnetic north is. And it's been on the move 1948, 1972, getting a little bit closer to true north as we go on, and 2001, moving now at anywhere from 25 to about 40 miles per year. And all of this, by the way, is because the inner core of the Earth is basically iron. We've got solid iron in the inner core. That spins at a slightly different rate than the Earth outside of it. And then you've got this liquid outer core. Because that's liquid, and because it's metal, it has a charge to it, and that constant motion of the liquid will actually change the magnetic field of the Earth. And a lot of scientists think that we may actually see a flip where the North Pole would be on the South Pole.
Pole shift.
So, interesting stuff. You don't really have to worry about it too much if you have a GPS, because that obviously is determined by satellites. But if you are going old school on me,
right,
and you're going up to the North Georgia mountains,
oh boy,
and you got your compass out, you have to take into account your deviation, and which changes. Like in Atlanta, it's about 4 degrees difference between regular north and magnetic.
I was never good with a compass, and I was never good with GPS.
Yeah.
I'm just hosed when it comes to directions.
We'll get you the talking navigation.
I need like that magnetic field to just kind of move me in the right direction.
Make a left here, and 200 yards, make a right.
Yeah, I get on the phone. How do I get there? I write it down.
Be sure that your pilots know where they're going. That's
it's pretty interesting stuff, though. It's pretty cool.
Fascinating.
Thanks, Rob.
No, it's not.
Well, people are talking about President Obama's speech at the memorial.
Who cares? Who cares?
We're going to talk about his message.